John, I tell you what, we'll take it right now for 195,002 sucker-free RV stickers right now.
Done.
That's a done deal.
Done deal.
Is he making a deal? I think he might be. These people and all these little dogs and stuff like that.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing? Hey. Oh, come on. Come on.
Say, come in.
Come on.
Well, we're heading out. Come on.
No, that's... What's going on?
Do you want me to... Is that okay? Okay.
What's going on, buddy? It's always the small ones with the Napoleon complex.
He's usually real chill. Hey,
He's like,
you're not gonna take
He's like, wait a second, somebody's already looking. Hold on.
He wanna see what's going on.
You guys have a great weekend.
All right.
You better be careful. This one sells for 208. You were awful close to that. You should have been a lot lower.
I know. That's why I would never do it for real without calling you first. So. Oh.
It's only 24 feet long, 8 for 2. Great little road trip vehicle. Come here, buddy. Nope. Give me outside.
Where
Those
is?
cabinets just are really hard. The latch on them, just pull it.
Do you pull it?
Just pull it.
Oh, okay. So, before I ask the, okay, yeah, I was getting ready to say, where's the sleeping getting done at in here?
Right over top. Look at this. It just.
Oh, that's incredible.
And then there's support legs. It's got that F.R.A.T system, which is like these wooden slats.
Yeah.
Makes like a box spring under there. It's super comfortable.
So I saw that, but I was like, before I ask, let me look around in here and see. So that's what you would call a Murphy bed.
Yep.
But I never seen one like behind the sitting area like that.
Actually.
Wow.
And I like the fact that my dinette's not taking all this space up.
Right? So this just flips out and you use it if you want to, or...
Yep.
12 free. I saw you talking to some kids today, Johnny. I was like, I know they ain't got no money to come over here. They just talking.
They come to see my dog.
They can't see the dog.
I like this stuff too. It's almost like a camp mat instead of carpet.
I think we need more room with this. What you think? I think I want to be I need a little. I think I need a
road trip vehicle.
I think I need a little more space. I think I need a little more space than this though. I like the size of this bathroom. Bathroom is nice, isn't it?
One of the best features on this is on the outside, the storage.
Yeah.
Amazing storage.
Oh.
Even this up here.
Oh,
It's all
yeah.
storage.
I like this design right here, this Murphy bed. That just lays right across your situation. So I was looking at that when we was leaving. Oh yeah. Storage for days.
Something small, that's important. Come here, buddy. You looking for shade? I bet you are.
Storage for days. Accessible from both sides.
And it's got climate control, so.
Oh wow.
Your air will keep that right temperature.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
So you enjoying your birthday weekend?
Beautiful piece of equipment here. If you guys want one, come on down to Carolina RV in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and they can get this for you. This is a beautiful couples camper right here. Beautiful Mercedes couples camper. Look at that right there. Wow.